Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about JEE Main Eligibility 2024 75% criteria, total attempts increased, minimum qualification. There is no age limit to sit for JEE Main exam. Candidates should have passed class 12th or equivalent. Physics, chemistry and mathematics are mandatory subjects. The year of passing is 2022, 2023, 2024. The minimum marks in class 12 is 75% marks in class 12 for journal and OBC candidate, 65% for SC or ST candidates. For BE or BTech paper 1, physics and mathematics along with one of these subjects, chemistry, biology, biotechnology are mandatory in qualifying examination. For B architecture paper 2, physics, chemistry and mathematics as compulsory subject at 10+2 level and should also have secured above 50 marks in each subject. For B planning paper 3, mathematics as a compulsory subject in class 12th. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 number of subjects in qualifying exam. It is mandatory for a candidate aspiring to take JEE Main 2024 to pass the qualifying exam with 5 subjects in total. If 4 subjects are taken in the exam, the candidature will not be considered valid. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 total number of attempts. Candidates can appear for JEE Main for up to 3 consecutive years. The exam is conducted twice a year. The candidates may appear in both the attempts. Appearing in both the sessions of the same year will be counted as a single attempt. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 eligibility criteria. Possession of a valid ID. Candidates from India were required to have Aadhaar card or other valid IDs in order to take the entrance exam. Similarly, foreign applicants must hold a valid passport. Provision for Jammu and Kashmir, Meghalaya and Assam applicants. For those sitting for the exam from these states were required to provide the following details: passport number, ration card, bank account number or any other government ID number. While filling JEE Main 2021 application form, also they had to choose cities in these states as examination center. No weightage given to class 12 marks. NTA has reintroduced 75% criteria last year. Journal or OBC candidates must have at least 75% in class 12 to be eligible for admission, and SC or ST candidates require 65% marks. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 eligibility criteria for droppers. For admission into NITs, IIITs and CFTIs admission, applicant must have obtained a 75% aggregate or be amongst the top 20 percentile of their respective boards. At least 65% of marks are required for SC or ST category candidates. Only 3 attempts are allowed for JEE Main in continuity. So for 2024, it is essential that the appearing candidates have passed their class 12th exam in 2020 or 2021. It is critical that any applicant must have had at least 5 subjects for the class 12th or qualifying exam with compulsory ones in the form of physics, mathematics and chemistry, biology, biotechnology. Improvement in 1 or 2 subjects. If an applicant is appearing for an improvement exam in 2024, then 2022's top 20 percentile will be accountable. In this case, the aggregate percentage will be calculated on the basis of the maximum marks acquired in the necessary subject. Improvement for all subjects. If an aspirant is appearing for improvement exam in 2024 for all subjects, then the better both the years result will be considered. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 reservation of seats. For the SC category, the reservation is 15%. For the ST category, the reservation is 7.5%. Non-creamy layer, other backward classes, NC or OBC, the reservation is 27%. For the journal economically weaker section, the reservation is 10%. People with disability, the reservation is 3%. Let's check the JEE Main 2024 state of eligibility. While filling JEE Main 2024 registration form, candidates have to fill the state form which they pass their class 12th exam or an equivalent exam. The candidate's JEE Main eligibility criteria will depend upon the state from which the 12th exam is cleared. It is important to note that the state code of eligibility does not depend upon the native place or the place of residence of the candidate. Let's check the admissions to NITs, IITs, CFTIs, SFIs, State Engineering Colleges. The Central Seat Allocation Board, BE, BTech, B Architecture, B Planning, the institutes are NITs, IIITs and CFTIs. They offer the program BE, BTech, B Architecture, B Planning. The eligibility criteria is 75% marks in the class 12 or in the top 20 percentile in class 12 for SC/ST is 65% in 12th final exam. The Council of Architecture institutes other than NITs, IIITs, CFTIs, they offered a program is the architecture. The eligibility is 50% marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics along with 50% aggregate in the qualifying exam. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.